This is good news tonight.
California's COVID case rates are stabilizing after seeing some troubling signs earlier this month.
KPIX5's Kenny Choi reports on the new update from the CDC and what some local health centers are doing in the final sprint before the holidays. Kenny?
So health experts are saying that they can't emphasize enough the need for more people to get boosters as well as vaccinations for children 5 to 11 before the cold winter months ahead. Claudia Castro just signed up her youngest son to get a vaccine appointment.
I feel confidence. Science is telling us that this is good, and I believe in science.
Her 6-year-old son Byron will get his first dose when the Mission Neighborhood Health Center launches a pop-up site for 2 nights starting tomorrow.
He should get vaccinated, since COVID is really bad right now.
Troubling upticks last month fortunately have stabilized recently. State officials say there are good signs as case rates and hospitalizations in California have dropped this week. But they're pleading for urgent participation as more people begin gathering indoors.
If people continue to get boosters to protect themselves, as well as the 5 to 11-year-olds protect themselves too from spreading COVID, then hopefully we'll make it through the winter with less cases.
That's why this pop-up will stay open later than usual for working families hopping onto buses to get to the clinic after a long day of work.
More school-based clinics, more pop-up clinics, more mobile clinics, meeting people quite literally, not just figuratively where they are.
It's wonderful when you can afford to go anywhere or when you can afford to go anytime. But for some parents, especially in immigrant communities and in low-income communities, it's not as easy.
So, Kenny, you mentioned some of the positive trends we're seeing. Any other indications things may have stabilized?
So California's positivity rate of 1.9% is the lowest in the country, according to the governor and state officials. It's also interesting to note that the CDC updated some of its data today, saying that unvaccinated people are 9 times more likely now to be hospitalized and also face a greater risk, 14 times greater risk of dying from COVID compared to vaccinated people. Alan?
It is a huge risk. All right, Kenny, thanks.